Oh Lord, stone they all rejected, but still you did the unexpected. Step down from the throne. Oh Lord, lower than the angels, but no one else could save us, 'cause you are God alone.
Came to see me, I want them seeking you. The world's a microscope, they watching everything I do, everything I say, every set I play. I got my head down, praying I don't go astray, that I never fall, that I never turn. See lightning strike, crash and burn. I'm in this airplane, dodging the clouds, on this narrow path, dodging the crowds, running from trends, seeing my friends turn to enemies. They slither like centipedes. 100 problems, but he left 99 just to find me. Yeah, I was a blind sheep. 98 on the freeway, eyes on the promise, but my past right behind me. I'm trying to get the one note, future bright, 'cause my eyes on the sun, bro.
Oh Lord, stone they all rejected, still you did the unexpected. Step down from the throne. Oh Lord, lower than the angels, but no one else can save us, 'cause you are God alone.
The walls are caving in, at times we can't breathe. These chains weigh a ton, it's like they'll never leave. They say we've been forgotten, so at night we plead to the author of life, your help we really need. Your prophet spoke to us, told us to take heed, taught us your holy way, spoke of a great king who with the throne pain said he would soon reign. As we imagine this, it feels like a great dream. What a great scene, what a great day. The angels sing as we bow and say